Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and the name of my channel is PRgrl for Puerto Rican girl. Is this your first time on my channel? Welcome. I have done a previous Pandora video on a haul that I did on Rulala, my first ever Rulala purchase, as well as some other items I got in the winter sale. So you are more than welcome to check that out. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing my first ever Disney Pandora haul. I have never bought anything from Disney before. This is from Pandora. This is my first time, and I decided to make this purchase because I saw on the website of the Art of Pandora, I think her name is Dora, that she posted that certain charms we are gonna be half off on the Disney website. Now, I have never owned anything from Disney and Pandora collection, although I have been at some Disney parks, but I have always wanted this item that I'm gonna show you that I got in here. And when I saw that it was on sale, and thanks to the Art of Pandora, I'm gonna link her blog in the information box so you can check it out, because she always posts all the information that we Pandora lovers need and like. So when I saw that she posted this, that the Disney, we are having sale on some charms, and one of the one that I was looking at was featured in the sale, I didn't doubt it and ordered it. The other charm that I'm looking for, and I'm gonna tell you after I unbox this item, it wasn't in the sale. It wasn't even on the website. I know that you can get it at the Disneyland park in California, but I know at some point I will actually get that one. So there, now the Disney collection is actually back on my radar, and I'm gonna show you what I have got. Thus, without further ado, let's start the unboxing. I must say that the item was shipped very quickly. I think it got maybe less than a week to arrive here in Puerto Rico. It was shipped through UPS, and I was very happy with the service of the shipment. So I will encourage you that if you're interested on getting some Disney charms, that you look at their website. And I believe there's free shipping with more than a purchase of more than $75. So yeah, let's start looking at this. So let's see. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so let me see. So you get your receipt. You know that I already mentioned that I paid half price for it. So you get some information in here from Disney. Nice. Let's see. Okay, so here's the box. So pretty. I haven't had a Pandora box in a while, so I'm very excited. Ooh, gorgeous. Disney parks. It gave me chills. So pretty. And I think that's, oh yeah, that's rose gold, my favorite. So cute. Oh, and it has a castle right there. Nice. Really nice. So let's see. Let's open it together. Oh, nice. It came in this bag. Made in Thailand. It's a silver with 14 karat gold. So those of you who knows Pandora jewelry from Disney might already know what I got from the name. And you now know, if you watch my previous video, and remember, I'm gonna link that in the information box down below, that I'm looking for getting more two-tone charms, and this is a charm that I have been wanting for a while. And I have wanted it in the regular version, but when I saw that it was on sale on the Disney website, I decided to get this one instead, the Disney one, which I think is prettier. So let's put the box over here. Maybe let's, oh nice, I didn't saw it. It said Disney Pandora inside, Disney Parks. So pretty. Let's put it there. So let's see, I'm gonna show you what I got. So excited. And I'm also gonna tell you why I got this. So this is the carousel, two-tone carousel. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Oh my gosh, it has the engraving over there. I didn't know this. I hope you can appreciate that. It says Disney Parks, and then on the other side it says Disney. How nice. And look at Mickey's ears. There are 14K, those ears. Hope you can see that. And the reason why I decided to go for this one was that, you know, it was on sale, it was available on the Disney website. But then also because the carousel from the regular Pandora line has a 14K ball over here. But then this one with the Mickey's ears has the Mickey ear with the two ears in 14K. So I thought it was actually very pretty. As you can see, you see a horse from the carousel over there, and then also on the other side. How pretty. And then on top of the carousel, what you see right there are Mickey's head all around it. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm so excited. And then here's the engraving, Sterling 925 Ale. And then on the other side, you get the Pandora name. This is so gorgeous. I'm so happy. The reason why I got this is, of course, you may know that I have a 5-year-old boy and also a 5-month baby boy. And here in Puerto Rico, for those of you who are from here, know that we celebrate Fiestas Patronales. And in all our Fiestas Patronales, we get carousels for our kids, and this is the first ride that typically our kids get on. Even if your kid is not old enough to go on top of a horse, you have seats so you can sit around and spend some time in the carousel. Of course, in Disney, the beautiful carousel, how could you miss that? We went to Disneyland in California when my son was 3 years and a half, and he enjoyed the carousel very, very much. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. I hope you really like this. Now, the charm that I wanted that wasn't available on the site was it's a small word charm. I saw this for the first time in my Pandora Charm Life haul, that one that she did from Disney recently. And I fell so in love because actually that's my favorite ride from Disney parks. Anyway, so I hope that you like this video, that you like this unboxing, and please give it that thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I will post more on Pandora in the future, as well as of my lifestyle and other things that I like. So yeah, welcome to my channel, and I will see you in the next time. Bye. Gracias.